Faculty Development Program on Effective Leadership and Excellence in Technical Education. All good things must come to an end, and here we are on the verge of completion of this 5 days of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored Faculty Development Program. These 5 days were graced by many eminent speakers from all over India who added more to our knowledge of effective leadership and excellence in technical education. At this point of time, I would like to share a quick glance of these 5 days. We started from the blessings of Professor M.P. Punia, Vice Chairman, All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi, whose exemplary examples on leadership gave a best start to the program. In addition, on the same day, we had Professor Rajat Agarwal and Professor Monica Sharma discussing online education in technical subjects and leading students through innovation and entrepreneurship. On second day, we started with a scholar come CEO, Dr. Rakesh Godwani sir, who discussed about leadership and management, followed by Professor Ghanshyam Singh sir, who took an example of Steve Jobs and discussed about making of a leader before, during, and ever after. We also had a wonderful stress management session by Mr. Vivek Agarwal of Art of Living. Next day, we had a beautiful topic on behavioral grooming of students for Atmanirbhar Bharat by Dr. Hanuman Prasad sir, giving a grooming start to the day. After that, we had a session. We had a session from a young orator, Dr. Sonali Jain, who discussed about managing change in operation, followed by the session by Dr. D.N. Vyas on effective leadership. On fourth day, we had a talk by motivator and idol for many of us, Professor M.C. Govil sir, who discussed on achieving leadership and excellence in technical education. I will take a 1 minute pause, sir, as we have to start the recording too. So I'll just start the recording.
Okay.
It's going on, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
On fourth day, we had a motivator and idol for many of us, Professor M.C. Govil sir, who discussed on achieving leadership and excellence in technical through quality management, followed by a session on empowering teacher leadership by Dr. Shiv Prasad. And soon after, on the same day, we had a power-packed session by Dr. Vidhu Gaur ma'am with her strong way of delivering. This morning, we had a very interactive session by Professor Santosh Ranganekar, sir, a leader itself, who tried to discuss the values of great leaders in past to the skills we need to follow the leadership in classroom today. And at last, we had a visionary orator, Dr. Gaurav Bissa, sir, who talked about motivational leadership and its impact. This is summary of 5 days of our workshop. Hope you all thoroughly enjoyed all the sessions. Now, I would like to request our respected principal, sir, Dr. J.K. Digwal, sir, to kindly say a few words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mita. Good afternoon to all my esteemed faculty members and the participants from the different engineering colleges of India. We all welcome you on behalf of Government Women Engineering College, Ajmer. And also I invite you, whenever you having the time, kindly visit our institute and see the facilities we are providing to our students and give suggestion so that we make improvement so that the student can be benefited in the near future. Then I congratulate Madam Mita Sharma, the coordinator of the event, Shweta, S.S. Sharma ji, S.S. Agrawal ji, Pankaj. They are continuously helping in the organizing of this event, a successful event. Of course, in the last 5 days, including today, we have learned so many things in the effective leadership and in the technical education, how we can groom ourselves. Professor Punia sir gave the 2 examples and they are very useful examples. Professor M.C. Govil, the professor from the various IITs also, they were given the very beautiful talks in the effective leadership. I only just want to add the thing that effective leadership you can achieve while you are teaching in the classroom. How you can handle the students, how you can give the technical knowledge to your students so they are able to understand and you are getting the satisfaction. That is also part of this effective teaching, learning, and the effective leadership. And sometimes in the academic institutes also many problems we are facing as a teacher, as a administrator, as a wardens, as a proctor section, as a faculty members of any of the institute. We are raising some question on the management. At that time, I only request you kindly put yourself at that place and think what should be the probable solution. Then only blame to anyone. By doing so, you can help to the management at any level so that the student, your institute will continuously grow in a positive environment. Only this thing I want to add, that's all. And your program was very successful, organized. I congratulate your Madam Mita and her team. And thank you all the participants for being with us for the last 5 days. Thank you, Mita.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for guiding us and being a constant support throughout in our FDP. Now I request all the participants to switch on their camera for a virtual photo session. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. There's always a scope of improvement and feedback plays an important role in it. Therefore, now I will ask some of the participants for their valuable feedback.
Meeta ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Myself, Dr. Shyamsundar Sharma, Assistant Professor in Physics, Government Women Engineering College, Ajmer. First of all, I would like to congratulate Meeta ma'am and his team to organize a very good program on effective leadership and excellence in technical education. It was nicely designed and it was a requirement of all the faculty members, because we are managing in the classrooms, we are managing our academic duties as well as some administration duties also. So it was very nice program, and the speaker which was chosen by you, madam, really that was very good. The thing was started from the Punia sir and ended by the Bissa sir. The journey was very beautiful. I am 100% sure that the participants have learned so many things and which will be very useful in the coming academic and the classroom teaching. The morning session that was directly related to the leadership in classroom. We are foremost as a teacher and we have to manage our class in an effective manner. So the discussion was done by the Professor Santosh, and it was totally interactive session. That was very good. And the lecture is given by the Professor Hanuman Prasad sir. It was full of the energy. He was given so many concepts. The lecture given by the Bissa sir and our previous mentor, Professor MC Govil sir. Every speaker was ultimately, if I am considering, Madam, I think is the Dr. Sonali Jain, IIT Delhi.
Yes,
He was given how we can write the report and how we can put the proposals and do the things in this corona call when the situations are not favorable for us. So everything was very good. So I congratulate to you, and according to my opinion, everything was very good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your appreciation means a lot, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for such a nice words. Anybody else? Anybody else from the participants?
मैम मैं डॉक्टर कल्पना गुप्ता हूँ, दयालबाग
जी।
एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट आगरा से। और जैसे कि अभी डॉक्टर श्याम सुंदर जी ने तो सभी बता ही दिया है, उसके बाद मैं कुछ और ऐड उसमें करना चाहूंगी कि जितना भी प्रोग्राम था, जैसे कि वो बहुत ही वेल डिजाइन था और टेक्निकल जो प्लेटफॉर्म था वो बिल्कुल, उसमें कोई बीच में गड़बड़ नहीं हुई, सब समय से और टाइमली हर चीज आती रही। अटेंडेंस भी बहुत कंफर्टेबल मैनर में जिस ढंग से लगाई गई, तो वो भी ठीक है तरीका। सो एवरीथिंग इज वंडरफुल। और जो सिलेक्शन था, जो कि स्पीकर्स थे, वो भी सभी अच्छे थे। और जिन्होंने भी, इस पूरी टीम ने जो भी मिलकर काम किया और इस प्रोग्राम को वंडरफुल बनाया, दैट इज अमेजिंग एंड आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So much appreciation means a lot to us, ma'am. And thank you for being part of this wonderful workshop. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We have Shikha ma'am also, Dr. Shikha Jawar, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. A very warm good afternoon to you all. And at the outset, I, Shikha Jawar, from Mahila Engineering College, Ajmer, take the privilege of extending a heartfelt thanks to the organizing committee of Atal FDP on effective leadership and excellence in technical education for providing me an opportunity to be a part of this prestigious event. I feel pleased to state that the program was very well organized and coordinated. For this, I owe a special thanks to Dr. J.K. Digwal sir, our principal, Mahila Engineering College, Ajmer, for providing us all this forum, and Ma'am Meeta Sharma and her fellow colleagues for their dedication, hard work, and sincere efforts in making this event a grand success. The insightful deliberations by eminent and scholastic dignitaries widened our horizons on the true meaning of effective leadership and its excellence, a topic which is very relevant in the current scenario. Due to paucity of time, it would be difficult for me to highlight and appreciate our eminent speakers individually. So to put up in a nutshell, the contents of all the speakers, I would just say that they taught us and asked us that, and they just highlighted that leadership is just an action. It is not about titles or positions. And effective leadership usually starts when we have a willing heart, open and receptive mind, positive attitude, and a zest to move ahead in life. In fact, to be very honest, we all learned a lot during this course and would try to imbibe, if not all, few things step by step in order to achieve our milestones. Once again, a big thanks and congratulations to the organizing team for organizing this great event successfully. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable words, ma'am. It means a lot. Coming from your host college, and so much appreciation means a lot to me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Do we have any other participant? Yes, ma'am. Yes, Neetu, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Again, taking the opportunity to thank and congratulate the whole team, Ma'am Meeta Sharma and the whole team who have taken so much efforts to organize this FDP. It was very relevant, not only in today's scenario. Leadership is a topic which has always been of utmost importance. So, especially in this FDP, it was more focused upon how can we take leadership concepts into classroom. How can we make our students stand on that part where they themselves can become leaders? So what role we can play in their lives? So again, each and every speaker, all from eminent institutions, every speaker was, very, very excellent in delivering the lectures. The content, everything was very, very good. And I again would like to thank our principal sir for allowing us to participate in this FDP. Ma'am Meeta Sharma, Pankaj sir, Shweta, everybody who was involved in this FDP. Thank you so much, ma'am, and would like to see more of such FDPs in future. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. We have other participant, Uday sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all the members who are involved in this Atal FDP program and the organizing team. And the title which you have chosen, Effective Leadership, and that is the FDP on leadership is very much required in the present scenario, because we seen that we have got many leaders, but the leadership cannot be obtained by all the leaders. So it requires special skills and that kind of service to the nation. That thought should be there in the mind. Then only they can become effective leaders. And through this FDP, I hope all the faculty members learned a lot, and they'll definitely work for the effective leadership in their institutions and also to serve the nation. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, madam, and thank you all the organizing team.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Shalini Parik, Assistant Professor from Sangam University, Bhilwara. Ma'am, I attend all the sessions of the program, and each and every session was very effective and informative in enhancing our teaching quality and leadership quality. And I'm very thankful to Ma'am Meeta ma'am, Pankaj sir and whole team to providing us such a wonderful platform for providing. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shalini ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
Do we
you.
have any? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Do we have any other participant?
Meeta, आपका mic on है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we have a comment from Dr. Bhumija Chauhan, ma'am. Thank you and congratulations to the organizing committee for organizing a well-coordinated event with eminent speakers. Thank you, Bhumika ma'am. Thank you so much. So ending with the feedbacks, do we have? Okay, sir. We have some more comments in the comment box, but we'll continue with our valediction. So thank you so much, everyone, for your encouraging words. It was indeed a great pleasure to get associated with you all. Now, as the coordinator of this FDP, I would like to express my gratitude and sincere thanks to our respected principal, sir, for trusting us and supporting us in making this event a grand success. Thanks to all the eminent speakers who added eclogues in this program with their charismatic talks. I also extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Mamta Rani Agarwal ma'am, Dr. Ravindra Soni sir, and Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg sir from Atal Academy for giving us opportunity to host this event. And my gratitude to all the distinguished participants who attended this live session with whole passion and commitment. It was indeed a wonderful association with you all, coming under one umbrella to understand the minute details of the topic on effective leadership. Whenever we talk about a successful program, it's always a team of committed members working behind it. And I was blessed to have such a wonderful team with me, working tirelessly day in and day out to make this program a success. It would have not been possible without their support. My heartfelt gratitude to all of them. Thank you so much, Payal ma'am, Pankaj sir, Agarwal sir, Gaurav Saxena sir, Varun sir, Shweta ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Hemant sir, Dalpat sir, and Amit Garg sir. Thank you for being a great support throughout. At last, I will also like to thank the media for all the coverage they did for our program, the people who have directly or indirectly contributed to make this event a success. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. So with your due permission, I have to make some announcements too. Shall I do it?
Yeah. Please
Yes, sir.
continue.
Yes, sir. So your online exam is scheduled at 3 p.m. Minimum 60% marks are compulsory for obtaining the certificate. Please understand that this exam is compulsory as certificates are provided by Atal Academy and not by host institute. If you don't attend the exam or if you don't attempt this exam, you will not be able to we can't help you in getting your certificate. And please fill feedback on Atal portal and mark your attendance in the Google Forms shared to you regularly. In the WhatsApp group, we will provide detailed announcements and guiding video regarding obtaining of certificate from Atal website. There will be a video shared to you in the WhatsApp group itself. It will be helpful to you to obtain your certificate from the Atal website. So I'll just end with a note by saying that everyone has a talent. What is rare is the courage to follow the talent to the dark place where it leads. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice time. Thank you so much.
मीता, ये बता दीजिए इनको कितना टाइम मिलेगा वो क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने का.
I'll just make this announcement too, sir. So we'll be releasing our Google form of questionnaire in the WhatsApp group as well as in the comment box too. So we'll release it at 2:45, and you'll get 1 hour time. 1 hour time. If 1 hour time, this means if we'll start at 2:45, it will be over by 3:45. And 3 compulsory things which you have to do to obtain your certificate is you should have 80% of attendance. Secondly, you should fill the feedback at Atal's portal, and third, you have to obtain 60% marks in your this assessment. So
Ma'am, in WhatsApp group itself, you will provide the Google link for examination.
ma'am, in WhatsApp group as well as in this comment box also at both the
Okay.
places. Share here also, and we'll share in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
If you want to ask anything else, you can ask. Agarwal sir, if any of the announcements is being
yes, ma'am, I'm here. If I
Yes,
have
sir.
any doubt, any participant, I'm here to answer. But I would rather suggest that at this point of time, you just concentrate on your examination. We'll be sharing a link on WhatsApp group as well as the message box of this meeting. So you concentrate on the exam, you attempt it very well, and at 4 o'clock, I will share detailed note about the certificate, how to download the certificate. I will also share a video. So you don't worry about the certificate, you just attempt this exam. But the only thing you must note is that there are 3 compulsory things to download the certificate. One is that you should fill up the feedback form on Atal Academy portal using your login ID. Second is you should and you must score at least 60% marks in the examination to be conducted just after 5 minutes. And the third thing is your attendance must be 80% in the FDP. So if you fulfill these 3 criteria, you will be able to download the certificate. But there are some procedural things in downloading the certificate. Those I will explain in the video, which I will share on the WhatsApp group. Also, all type of details will be shared with you. You don't worry about certificate. You just attempt the exam now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, we are sharing. We'll be sharing both the things at 2:45 in WhatsApp group as well as in the chat box. You can.
Okay, can I leave, Mita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your support and guidance.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Agarwal ji.
Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sharma sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.